Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to free up space and also clear cache on Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to open up our settings app, and then from here scroll down and click into device care. It'll be near the bottom of the page. From here, scroll down and click into storage. Now, once you're inside storage, we can see some recommendations here. So if we scroll down a bit, it will say a little slider here. So it will say on my phone, get 20 megabytes of space by deleting old audio files from the Samsung folder. Get 138 megabytes of space by deleting old installation files from the download folder. So just keep going through there and reviewing these old files. Now if we scroll down here, we can clear up some room from our recycle bin, so we can tap that and clear room. So if I'm in here, I can tap on my files, gallery, notes and calendar items, so I can delete them if I like. So to do that, just simply click onto it and click and hold it down and then press delete, or we can delete everything inside of here if we like. So like so, if I come back to here, we can look at unused apps. I've got currently 15 gigabytes of unused apps that I haven't used in the past 30 days. So click on it to review it and just go down the order and just delete uninstall apps you don't want to use or haven't used in a while and you don't need on your phone. Also, we've got duplicate files. We can delete them as well and clear up some and make some more room, and also large files. Another thing what we can do is if we go back to settings, search for apps. Now click onto apps. Now from here, depending what app you want to use, just go ahead and clear the cache. So if I want to make my AFL up a bit quicker, I'm going to click into it, scroll down, click storage and clear cache. And we could do this for multiple different apps, and that's going to make your Android or your apps run a bit faster.